Hi, in front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First we need to open the Fitbit application on our iPhone. Let's close this for a second, close it completely and open it again, like this. Okay, so in the application you should see the Today page, the home page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon to open the account page, and here you should see the Ace 3 on the list of devices connected to your phone. If you don't see it, you could be in the parent view, and if you're in the parent view you won't see this button right here, switch to parent view, and you will need to switch to the kid view basically to operate with Ace 3. So I'm gonna switch to parent view and show you how to switch into kid view. Give me a couple of seconds. Okay. In the parent view, you'll need to tap on the profile icon to open the account page. Tap on My Family, and here you should have the family set up already because the device was paired with your phone. Tap on the Switch to Kid View under your child. Now you can tap on profile icon again, tap on the Ace 3 to select it, and here scroll down, tap on Remove this Ace 3. Tap on Remove this Ace 3 again, and the device will disappear from the list of devices connected to your phone. Once it does, you can close the application and open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's tap on Settings, open the Bluetooth settings. Here check if you have the Ace 3 on the list of My Devices. If it is here, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, tap on Forget Device again to remove it. And now it should be on the list of other devices. This means that the smartband was disconnected from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.